Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video I am so excited for. So I finally got my hands on the Free People Firecracker jeans. And when I say I got my hands on them, I got my hands on quite a few pairs of them. And that's not all of them. I also got these white ones with these green stars in. So I've been obsessed with these jeans since I can remember. Like as soon as I saw them, I knew I've got to have a pair of those. But whenever I would try and get hold of them, they never had my size and I always missed the restocks, and then I kind of just forgot about them. And I don't know why, but a few days ago I just thought, oh, I'll have a look on the website and just see if, you know, they still exist or, you know, they've been restocked. They had my size in 4 of the styles, and so that's why I picked up 4 of them, because today we're going to pick which ones I'm going to keep. So I did get 2 sizes because I'm not 100% sure what size I am in Free People. So I've got these white ones in a waist 27. It was mainly because they didn't actually have a waist 26 and I fell in love with the white and green. So I thought, it's okay, we'll just work with this. But I have a feeling looking at them, waist 27 is probably more my size in Free People. So the other 3 are going to be a bit of a wiggle, but we can wiggle dance, it's fine. So I did get 3 blue pairs. Now, the ones that everyone kind of knows, if you're familiar with the Firecracker jeans, are the red and blue combo pair. Now these are beautiful, like this is red suede and it is so rich, the colour. Like it is really beautiful. So I feel like I'd be a little bit worried about how they've coloured that and whether that would kind of shed at all, because it's so perfectly red. I can't really explain it. So I'd be very cautious washing these. I'd probably like hand wash the red ones very carefully in cold water, just because I don't want, like I want these to last forever, but I just look at how they're stitched in. They are just so beautiful. I'm absolutely obsessed. But then more practically, I did get these ones. So these are a dark blue denim with silver stars. Now these aren't suede, so I don't think there'd be too much issue of transfer of colour, and it's silver rather than bright red, so they don't look like they've been dyed at all. And they just look a little bit more, I feel like these would go with a lot of stuff in my wardrobe, whereas the red ones, you kind of want to play on the red and the denim, which I'm fine with because luckily I love red and denim, so it's like a win-win. And then I did get these acid wash light blue ones where the stars are actually a denim blue, but like a dark denim. So these are also very, very wearable. I feel like just denim on denim, like these will go with everything as well. So they're all the Firecracker jeans, and then before I throw everything on, I did get a boiler suit. Now I just fell in love with how this looked on the model and I had to try it, mainly because look how intricate all the darting is. That's around the waist. I feel like this is going to be so cinched in, and look at this. This is like the most beautiful stretch denim. Like this is really stretchy, whereas these Firecracker jeans, they have like a little bit of give, but I wouldn't call it stretch. It's more just the fabric can pull a little bit, whereas that boiler suit, that's a nice amount of stretch. So, right, let's throw these on and see which pair is gonna take the crown. Okay, so I put the red pair on first, just because these are the ones I've always kind of dreamt about. And I mean, I love them, but I'm also, now that they're on me, I think the other colours might just be a little bit more practical. But, believe it or not, these are the waist 26, and they fit fabulously. Only thing I would say, these are long, so I don't know if I went for like too long of a jean. Like, I get away with it, but I need to wear a little bit of a heel. So I have like little kind of kitten heels on. So just keep that in mind. If you're 5'5" like me and you want to wear them with like trainers, you might have to take them up a little bit. But the waist 26 almost has space in it, not too much space. Like I would say these are pretty much a perfect fit. I think a size 25 would suffocate my hips and thighs, whereas this is kind of bang on. But just look at these. These are so cool. Like I love the seams. I love the flare. I think I need to move you guys back so you can see the flare a bit better. But I don't want to wear them with a belt, so I feel like, oh, actually, it wouldn't hurt the star too much with a belt, so they could be worn. But just how fun are these? I'm in love. So hopefully you can see now kind of how the legs actually fit. I moved you guys back. Apologies for the chest table blocking the view. But they are incredibly long, like I was saying. This is without shoes, but with a nice little kind of, I just wear them with these like little slip-on heels, so they're super comfy still, and then the length is perfect for me. So I'll put all my measurements down below along with the links to the jeans, so you can kind of compare yourself to me to work out if these jeans will work for you. But look at those. I'm absolutely obsessed with them. But I'm starting to think the red might be too red, even for me, someone who loves red. Like, I'm starting to think the silver or the denim blue ones might be the winners. But this is contender number 1. So I absolutely love the colour of these denim. They're just, this is such a wearable kind of denim blue. And then I think silver just goes with everything. It just is like a really kind of bright silver. It almost looks white on camera. I think these are really wearable. Now, these ones were weirdly a little bit stiffer to get on than the previous pair. Now, I think that might be down to the stars, because obviously this is the widest point on me, so this is the biggest struggle to get things over, so maybe the stars gave a little bit more on the red ones. But they fit nonetheless, and this is a waist 26 as well, so I definitely think this is my size in Free People jeans. So I am so happy that I got 3 in the right size, and we'll try on the waist 27s shortly, but these ones just are so lovely. And again, the length of these ones is the same as before, just a little bit long for me, but totally workable. And I just love the fit on the legs. They're so, like, minus the stars, which are awesome, they're a really lovely, like, fit on my thighs. Like, they kind of figure hug the thighs, and then they're just a little bit flared, but not too flared. So I think these work really, really nicely. I love them. I don't know how I'm going to choose. You guys have to help me here. So this is number 2. Now this pair is a little bit of a funny pair. Like, first kind of opinion, I'm not a fan of the denim blue. Like, it's a little bit too kind of acid washy light for me, or my preference. Like, I much prefer the darker denims I had on. But then from the back, I think these are my favourite. Like, I love the contrasting kind of dark blue with light blue. So it's a little bit of a dilemma, because I'm like, the stars kind of look the best in this colour combo, but then in terms of like how the jeans look just kind of on the front of me, I'm almost like, are these too light for kind of my preference? I don't know, they just don't quite click, whereas the other two clicked instantly, like that dark denim, or like medium denim, whereas these are just a little bit too light, which is funny because I wear white jeans as well. Oh, I feel like I'm glowing white now. I feel like I've got a light on, and I think it's making them look really, really white. You can this is like the true colour, you can see it here. I'll block the light. This is tricky. This is very, very tricky. I think the darker denim is the winner out of the blues, but I am loving kind of the light and dark stars. Let's put on the final pair in white. So I knew I was going to love these ones, but I wasn't expecting to love them this much. Like, I love how kind of the creamy white looks in the flared style. So minus the stars, I just love how they look as jeans. I think they're just a really nice fit. And these are a waist 27, but I don't think they look any bigger really. Like, the waist still fits. I thought there was going to be a lot more space kind of gaping here, but honestly, these fit absolutely fine. So weirdly, I can rock a 26 or a 27, so if you're shaped like me, keep that in mind, because these are forgiving in sizes. But I love these, look! Like, how cute are they? Only thing is all my white jeans end up getting grass stains on or something if I go have a picnic in them. But I feel like these ones might suit it, you know, because they've got green stars on, but then they are a lot of money, so I'm also like, blue denim ones would be the more practical option, but these are just so fabulous. Like, look. I feel like I'd have a lot of fun wearing these, but they would be kind of on occasion jeans, whereas the darker denim ones I could wear kind of day to day. Like, they could be winter jeans, summer jeans, you know, I could get quite a lot of wear out of these, whereas I think these ones would be primarily kind of spring, summer. But oh, they are so cool. Like, I love them, and this is a suede green patch, so I am loving the suede patches. But I think it's, if I had to pick one, my brain is going practically, I should go for the silver ones, silver and denim blue, because they will go with the most. But then I'm also like, the red stars made the statement, so I'm in a bit of a dilemma. I'm gonna get some other people's opinions and see which ones are the winners, but aren't these cool? I wasn't expecting these to be so lovely. I mean, at this point, all I'm gonna say is, if Free People is watching, please work with me because my bank account cannot afford this many clothes that I want to keep. I mean, look at this, it just fits. I mean, all of these darts mean it doesn't, like, it's not baggy above my kind of butt at all, and it's such a nice fit. Like the stretch denim, I could literally do yoga in this if I wanted to. Like, I can move. Like, this is a practical jumpsuit that is super, super cute. Like, I love that I can literally, like, go down, up. The only thing I would say, it's a very, very, like, easy zip. So if you're quite busty, you can probably, like, pop the zip a little bit. But I think, like, how cute is that? It does, only thing I am thinking, it does look a bit like a work jumpsuit. Like a very nice fitted one, but I do feel like I could do practical labour in this. I mean, don't come for me if you actually do practical labour and you're like, no, you could not. But do you see what I mean? Like, for the price, I don't want people to look at me and think it's a uniform rather than a really, really cute outfit. But so nicely made. I mean, look at these tailoring darts. I really want to learn how to, like, properly tailor clothes and, like, add my own darts to things because this is just such a perfect fit. Oh, I kind of went, this was like a surprise purchase because I wanted the firecracker jeans and then I just saw this and thought, oh, I'll just try it. I had no idea it was going to be this gorgeous stretch denim, which is like so my kind of thing. I absolutely love it. So if you haven't tried Free People, their quality of their denim stuff, 110% recommend. Like, especially for kind of a curvy figure, this is just heaven to wear. Absolutely love it. But that's all I got for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. Everything will be linked down below if you did want to check any of these jeans out yourself or this wonderful boiler suit. I haven't made a decision on the firecracker jeans. I love all of them, but there wasn't like one clear winner in my head. So let me know what you think down below. But something just didn't, they either all clicked or none of them clicked. I can't quite tell, and I don't know if it's because the stars almost make them less wearable than jeans without stars, but I've always obsessed over these jeans, and I think now having them on, it just all feels a bit surreal. So let me know what you thought of them, and which pair was your favourite, but I had a lot of fun trying them on, and I can't believe how well they fit. Like, I was really, really pleased with them, and their quality is through the roof. So I do think the price is worth it because some of them are cheaper. So some are 158 and then some are 128, which I noticed. So I'll link them all down below in case you want to check any of them out yourself and treat yourself to a pair of jeans with stars on your ass because I feel like we just need them in life. Yeah, so these red ones are actually 128 and then the other ones are 158. So I don't know whether maybe the red ones are just like the original pair, so they're a bit cheaper, but who knows. Anyway, I hope you're doing well. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed. I'll link my Instagram and any other social media down below. I do have a second channel which is all about rocks, because if you haven't noticed, I am a bit of a rock fanatic. So my other pastime is I'm a geologist, with a major kind of focus on paleontology. Here's a really awesome ammonite I found. So this is a ammonite fossil, which was like this squid-like creature that looked like this. Da, 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 da. So if you want to learn all about my rocks and paleontology and that sort of stuff, I even have one tattooed on me because, yes, I am that keen, then check out my other channel, MGems, where we do all things to do with fossils, rocks, museum collections, dinosaurs, biology, sea creatures, like you name it, I'm probably into it. Oh my god, how long have I been flashing you guys? See, that's the issue with this boiler suit. If you do anything practical, the zip says no. Let's just, oh god. Okay, I have identified a slight flaw in the boiler suit. I feel like this is a problem. Let's put it up. Jeez, look, I can literally, oh my god. I had no idea. I was like, oh, why is it suddenly getting a bit breezy? And that's because it literally just unzips itself. Free People, what is going on here? This is not, do I have to do it all the way up to be secure? No, look, I can, oh no, that does hold. Alright, the boiler suit has to be worn like this, which means it's a no from me, because I like to be breezy. Let's say that. Right, let's put this up there, and this up here. Do you guys want to see another fossil? You can always leave the video if you don't. So I found this one as well. So these ones came from England, which is where I'm based, but I also have some other pieces from all over the place. Oh, what should I show you next? This is a massive chunk of chalcopyrite, because I also do some work in the mining industry, so we do like our minerals now as well, so you can see that sort of golden tinge. Well, chalcopyrite isn't quite the same as pyrite, but looks like gold. It's a fool's gold. Right. I'm gonna leave before I just do a massive show and tell for you all. And here is a massive chunk of a really huge ammonite, because that's a good way to leave. But thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed. All the links down below that you'll need, so check out the description if you're curious about clothes or the rest of my life. And yeah, hopefully I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.